can fossils help us tackle the impact of climate change on modern biodiversity? Life on our planet has seen a number of quite drastic environmental and ecological perturbations throughout its evolutionary history. And it is really these events that have the greatest potential to inform how modern biodiversity might respond to ongoing climate change in the future. Now, modern biologists tackle physiological responses to environmental change primarily using molecular tools. We sequence genomes, we sequence proteomes, we try to understand the biochemical underpinnings of some of these reactions. However, when trying to scale some of these observations in deep time, using the fossil record, we face one of the greatest challenges of modern paleontology and geochemistry. Traditionally, informative biomolecules were not thought to survive the fossilization process. We refer to that as the molecular gap between life past and present. My lab here at Hopkins tackles this molecular gap by tracing the fate of informative biomolecules in deepest time. We combine tools from chemistry, biology, and geology to extract residual molecular information from fossils and scale molecular biological applications through time and space. This allows us to understand, for example, why certain species went extinct during mass extinction events and others survived. Our research allows us to tackle questions that range from understanding the role of dinosaur warm-bloodedness in the end Cretaceous mass extinction event, all the way to searching for traces of life on early Earth or elsewhere in the solar system. Understanding these foundational rules of the long-term evolutionary responses to past environmental change allows us to forward model how modern biodiversity might respond to ongoing climate change in the future. These insights allow us to provide more accurate and informed advice for conservation efforts. The fossil record holds invaluable evidence of how life has responded to planetary change in the past. And with these new molecular tools, we have for the first time an opportunity to fill these blank pages in the history of life and help write the next chapter.